Hey guys, we're here to interview one of our clients in Winter Springs in the countryside. Follow us in. Hola, hello Glendys. Thank you for having us.
Sure, come in.
Greetings, my name is Arturo, and today we are interviewing one of my clients.
Hi, my name is Glendys.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Thank you.
We're gonna have a fun question here and a few other questions. So, what superpowers you would like to have?
I'll say flying.
Okay,
Yeah,
I like that. Yeah,
that's
there's
cool.
a lot of things you could do with flying, you know.
Yeah, can travel for free, maybe.
There you go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Get places faster.
Yeah.
Get to your clients faster.
Right.
So I say that because she's a realtor for EXP. And how long have you been doing it?
I've been on the business for 4 years. I have been living in Central Florida for more than 10 years now. And I also have a notary business that help clients with immigration status and create companies, LLC and stuff. Yep.
Wow, that's beautiful. Helping the people. I like that. And as you see, she's a family woman. She got a daughter with you.
Yeah.
So that's cool. I like to hear things like that. How you deal with your day-to-day work? Like, how is it?
Oh, well, I just try, just get organized and with my time, business and family, and just try to make it work. Yep.
Okay. And so how does it work when clients they just reach out to you, like mainly like email, or they call you a lot, or what it goes?
Mainly calls.
Okay.
Yeah.
They want to get to you.
I don't think that people use email
For your, in your case?
Yeah,
Okay.
in my community. Yeah.
Gotcha. And do you feel like it takes a lot of your time, or you just enjoy what you're doing, or it's just making it happen?
I enjoy what I do because I like to help clients, but I actually make it happen. If I cannot do it, I will do it.
Nice.
Anyways, yeah.
Yes. We feel the same way. We like to make things happen. That's
Yeah.
good. How did you hear about us?
Actually, you guys were recommended by Ariel Vargas, a top listing group. It was on the list of preferred contractors, and I just called. You guys came.
Cool. Well, a shout out to Ariel. This is not the first time I hear that he has recommended us. So thank you, Ariel, if you're watching, and we'll keep making you look good. Your scenario was a meter box, one of the hurricanes last year. I believe it was like the first one that passed by, and you had a problem with your meter box. How was that when you first encountered it, that you saw what happened? And did you lose power at the time right away, or it was just a physical damage?
Yeah, it was a physical damage. It just looked like horrific. No sé cómo decirlo, pero like horrible.
Horrifying.
But yeah, it was like despegado de la pared, like
detached
of the wall, and then but we never lose power here.
Okay. It's just that when you went looking around, you saw that, and you're like, wait, before something happens, we need to.
Yeah, and the cable to the cable that went to
the power line, the overhead. Yeah, that was like hanging.
Yes.
Okay. And then at that moment, you like talk to Ariel, like, hey, you know anybody, and that's how everything happened. Okay, cool. Yeah, that and we was able to make that, in a safe manner, have everything put back up in a reasonable time, I would say. Like, whenever we had it permitted and everything, we'll make sure that everything was safe, but also had it permitted, so we waited to the city to do their part, but we got it done. Do you feel safer, now that the job is all done? Like, how's your reaction afterwards? To talk about it, I mean, when we did it, it went through the other hurricanes, and it just stood there. I believe Milton was the strongest one, and I went through with it. So did it make you feel safer going through these other ones?
Yeah. It was so much safer, and it went through that hurricane. It was the worst watching the hurricane, but that was still intact.
To have light and be good, it was awesome. So we kind of saw or heard how you felt, like, seeing that was detached and all that. Did you at the moment feel any fear that something was going to happen at any moment?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna fail. I think, I don't know if I called you and I asked you something.
Yeah, you sent me pictures. Say, hey, is this about to fail? Like, let's see what's going on. But yeah, we went through that.
So we were scared about that, and
cool.
We usually have trucks coming by our driveway, so that also scared us because
they were hanging too low. Gotcha. So let's go to the main thing. What was your experience like with us, with electrical surgeon? Like, what would you say your overall experience, if you want to start from like the beginning when you first called us, the process that it took, how we came and did it, like a little bit of everything on that.
It was amazing. I actually called you, and I remember you were super nice, and you told me that you were gonna do everything about the inspection and stuff, and we didn't have to worry about anything of that. And it was quick also too. So the day that you guys came, it was all done quick.
Cool. Yeah. Does it make you feel safer that it went through a city inspection other than just a company coming in?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay, so that was a good thing. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming.
Guys, if you guys have any realtor needs, as you can see, she's a humble family lady. She expresses herself well, and as a client, she's been a good person to deal with. So we hope to continue working with you. Anything else, we hope that nothing as bad like that happens, but anything else that happens, hopefully we will keep that relationship going. Guys, thank you for watching. Leave any comments and questions. If you got more questions about a realtor, or as a realtor, or any questions about the video, or how we could help you guys in any way you guys went through something similar or anything like that. How you feel about the interview?
Oh, it was good. Good to know that we made someone feel safer. That tough hurricane coming through. So it's good to hear from us.
As an assistant manager, you want to make sure everything's good, right? What about you?
Sorry. I think it went really well, especially I was really happy to hear some about your business and what you do on your personal time, on your day-to-day basis, and how you help the progress of immigration and everyone that can't do what you can be doing right now.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to say, or?
I'm just grateful you guys helped me, and yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for your time again. I know that's a valuable thing. I really cherish people's time, so I appreciate you taking this time that we could have this nice conversation. And guys, so just remember, electrical surgeon, suturing your electrical wounds. Hey guys, we here as we spoke with Glendys with the job that we did. This is the meter that we were talking about. We made sure we made the repairs where everything was safe, put it back in. We added this 2-inch rigid so it could be well done and strapped, insulated, and then had the wires all the way up there for the overhead connection for the utility company to make their connections, as you can see up there. This got city inspected. So as soon as we were done, city inspector came, passed it the first time. We did a good job. And that's how we made this safe for this family here.